Globalization of herbal medicines, a bliss and worry. As globalization alters socio-cultural cases, one can anticipate that the present evolution will have an effect on the significant supply of a particular treatment. The procedure of health identity structure is neither simple nor constant. Speakers can surgically employ explicatory repertoires to be convenient with the rhetorical needs of the interactional situation, such as a medicinal consult or an interview setting. Plant functional biodiversity monitoring from space on the possibility to supply a universal situation for biodiversity science, and also to connect the functional and evolutionary variety of plants at domestic scales to ecosystem median around the globe. The mixtures and encounters triggered off by hybrid procedures open up modern scenes on the universe and result in artistic shapes which can add various styles, genres, languages, and moods. As well, patients can proceed between repertoires relying on the position they desire to pick on through a biomedical encounter. Therapeutic actions of herbal medicines, as demonstrated by Pathak and Das in 2013, are anti-cancer activity, analgesic activity, anti-diabetic activity, hepatoprotective activity, anti-fertility activity, antidepressive activity, anti-psoriasis activity, and herbs for dental care.